Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you planning to sell on Walmart in 2025? This video is for you because I'm going to share you one of my client store sales so that you can have an idea and motivation to start selling on Walmart. So we are basically doing drop shipping on the Walmart. This is the store. Let me show you the sales without any wait. Um, so in this month so far, in last 27 days, this is December 2024. It's almost more than half $1 million sales. And in last month, in November, we generated over $390,000 in sales, and in October, it's over $158,000 in sales. You can do it by yourself. Drop shipping, it's not that hard. It's very easy. Our suppliers are Amazon Prime, Walmart itself, Costco, Sam's Club, and we ship it to the customer. And you don't even need your cash. You can use your credit cards to sell on Walmart, the drop shipping, right? And you even don't have to pay interest to the banks, because I think before 40 50 days, bank will charge the interest, in 40 50 days, I think. um but you will have your money back to your bank account within 2 to 3 weeks, right? So you are not paying interest to your bank account. So um and or if you can do it by yourself, it's well and good, but you can hire me as well. We provide done for you service and generate a passive income for you. We'll manage everything, find products, find suppliers, list list the products on your seller central, managing the customer support, and managing the overall whole seller central, and provide a passive income for you. So we started this account last year, 2023, November 2023. And in the beginning, the sales are not that much high. So in the first 30 days, it's only $1,800 sales. But in the second month, it grows up to around 11,000. Yeah, $11,881 in sales. And in the first 90 days, Walmart is on probation period, so we don't scale the account too much. So we keep the sales between 10 to $20,000, and after that we can really scale it up. So if you don't have the Walmart Seller Central account, you can create a new one. The approval chances are 50-51. So make sure when you are signing up on Walmart, use your same email you use to create your LLC. In that way, your approval chances will be high. So if you we can also help you to create your Walmart Seller Central account. Create you If you are having trouble in you creating your LLC Walmart Seller account, we can help you in each and every step. And so you can contact us through WhatsApp or my website. Links are in the description. Feel free to contact with us. And yeah, I will really recommend to start dropshipping 2025. It's really profitable, and we are making tons of money for clients. So really recommend it. Thank you so much.